checking out my Christmas decorations? Yeah. If you look at their feet, this is how it can tell them apart. This one right here in the middle is one of the main baby girls. Yeah, see, these were my babies. They lost their mommy. They were always on the patio. Now they're like, why can't we come in on the patio? What are you eating? Oh, are those the little acorns? Muscovies, they're really good at foraging. Regular, like pecan ducks, they can't do that, really. They can dig in the ground, but these guys are pretty good at finding food. Girls. Look at her feet. Right there. A little orange on it. And then you got all black. And then you got weird light color. Alright, girls. I know it's cold out this morning. Have fun. So their Drake hasn't come back. I don't know what happened. I think this is what's going on. He's gone and they're lost now. I'll get you guys some food in a few minutes. It is very cold. Oh my goodness. Coldest day of the year. Oh, babies. Excuse me, babies. And he's drying his wings. You guys like your lettuce and cucumbers? Is it good? Oh, okay.